Hi guys, so I just left the place where I got my facial. It's called Vitality Med Spa. I got it done by Brianna. She was great. I'm about to head to the next thing that I'm getting done, which is a body scrub. And yeah, I'm gonna Spa Habitat for that. I've been there before for a facial. Decided to try somewhere different for a facial this time around because I wanted somewhere that really specialized in facials. So if you stay tuned, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I will go ahead and video the process of all that. And yeah, thanks for following along. So I'm trying to waste some time before I go into this massage. I'm super early. I decided to stop at Sephora, which is right around the corner, and I ended up getting this Feeling Good Pharmacy hyaluronic acid pumping serum. I asked my girl Amina, who's really good at skincare. She suggested this. I looked up reviews. Reviews are really high as well. So I'm gonna give that a try, trying to keep up with my skincare routine since I just, got the HydraFacial, trying to keep up. I'm not really good at skincare. I'm just gonna go in there and see if they'll take me early because I really don't feel like waiting in my car. Starbucks is right here, but I really don't feel like getting Starbucks either. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. So I just left. It was great. Basically it was like if you just did a body scrub in your shower, except somebody does it for you. Definitely gonna save my money, but I mean, it was a good massage. The massage was really good. The body scrub, would I go back? Probably not, but yeah, it was worth a try. Okay, so PS, I didn't film because it was super awkward because this lady is literally rubbing my body down with sugar, and yeah, it felt good. I could have done it myself. Okay, update. Skin is definitely softer. Okay, yeah, I don't know. I was trying to, skin's softer. Would I still go back? I don't know, but yeah, now I'm gonna go get my nails done. So yeah. Just got back from my haircut. I absolutely love it. It is so much lighter and it's literally gonna take me about 10 minutes to get ready now. Althea did it. I will tag her in the description down below. She is literally amazing and I 10 out of 10 recommend her if you live in the Dallas area. Even if you don't and you can fly in, definitely worth it. She does cuts, color, extensions, whatever you need. She's definitely that stylist. Side note, I was like super skeptical about cutting my hair because my hair was literally to my ass. But now that it's short, I absolutely love it. So happy that I did it. I literally got home and looked in the mirror and was like, okay, maybe I should do a little bit shorter, but try not to push it too much. I'm gonna keep what I got. Got my nails done before my haircut. About to go get my lashes done. Stay tuned. I go about like 45 minutes to get my lashes done, but that's literally because she's the best. If you are good at what you do, I will literally drive miles. I will get on a plane and come to you. Gabby's the best at eyelashes. So yeah, so stay tuned and I will show you that process. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to my next appointment. I am getting my teeth whitened. I actually met this girl through a friend and she was super cool. So she basically explained like what she does for work and I was like, oh shoot, I'm gonna come to you. So yeah, here I am getting my teeth whitened. She also does like those tooth gem thingies. I don't know if I'm that bold to get one. I don't think I can pull it off. So we'll see. But yeah, basically going to get my teeth whitened for 30 minutes. I don't know if you guys knew this about me, but I basically just had braces for the third time. I never wear my retainer, really. That's what it's about. And yeah, so I got braces on again, had them for 2 months, got them taken off before anyone could even know I had braces on because COVID had to have a mask on. But yeah, I was like, let me get them whitened now. So here I am, so stay tuned and I will show you the process. Guys, just left my teeth whitening appointment. She was awesome, definitely lightened me up a couple shades. She told me I wasn't that like bad, so I don't really, Brush your teeth, kids. But she did a little teeth gem. If you catch it, you catch it. If you don't, you don't. I did it all the way in the back because I am too old to be getting teeth gems, is how I felt. But I still wanted one. So now I'm about to go get my lashes done. Because why not? I don't get my lashes done always. I only get it done when I go on vacation. And I'm about to go on vacation. So here I am. Less maintenance for when you're out of town. So follow me along. See you guys soon. About to go home and pack. I just got my lashes done. She did a great job. The girl who usually does it, that I've been going to literally for years, Gabby, she actually owns a school to teach girls how to like lash on their own, and this was one of her students, and I loved her. And I'm super picky because I don't like caterpillar eyelashes. Like, I want my eyelashes to look natural, and she did exactly that. Sorry, I keep looking at myself instead of in the camera. But I'm at Chick-fil-A right now. I'm about to get their Cobb salad. If you've never had their Cobb salad, it is amazing. It's literally like, I don't even get chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A. Or their sandwich. I get their salad because it's bomb. And yeah, I'm about to, like I said, about to go home and pack. Haven't packed anything. We're not going for that long, so I don't need to pack that much, So just a side note, we are going to New York for the New York Marathon. My cousin and my brother are running the race. It is 26 miles of torture is what I feel like, because I would never do it. Even if I was in the best shape of my life, I don't think I would ever do it. But kudos to them. My cousin doesn't know that we're coming, and she's really one of my like best friends. So I'm super excited to surprise her. We are going to be surprising her tomorrow at her place. Nobody knows that we're coming except literally my brother and my parents. My brother, because we're gonna be staying at his crib, and then my parents, obviously it's my parents. But yeah, so super excited. Like I said, getting some food, going home to pack, flights at 5 a.m. And yeah,